Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check your Instacart wait list. First, open the Instacart app and log in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Next, tap Account Information. If you see a screen saying you're on the wait list, it means Instacart hasn't reached enough demand in your area yet. If you see a different screen indicating availability, that means the demand in your area has been met and Instacart is ready to open delivery services in your zip code. You're now eligible to start delivering with Instacart. And that's it. That's how you check your Instacart waitlist status. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.